What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. And it looks like I woke up to some serious issues, right? But luckily we found the issue. So see that right there? I have a screw in my tire, and unfortunately this was the new tire that I bought, but it wasn't new, it was a used tire. So there is no warranty when you go to these used tire spots. So I will have to use my air pump, and I wasn't ready, you guys, not today. My tire patch kit I ran out of, and I never bought a new kit, so this is kind of emergency. So I may not be going on Amazon today. I might go right to Walmart and get a tire patch kit. Use this pump, 34. I know some people might complain and say, oh, it's supposed to be 32. Well, guess what? I'm going to put 34 in it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something called slime. Now, we got this from Walmart, and slime also have the plugs, the tire repair plugs. Now, if you are scared, nervous to do this, then you probably won't use this. And I am doing this for the people that is scared to do this. So we are going to try this slime. I guess it's a sealant. It's step one, position the valve at 6 o'clock on the tire. So my valve is not really at the 6 o'clock position, but we are going to leave it alone like that. 2, shake vigorously for 25 seconds. 3, turn can upside down and screw plastic nozzle clockwise into tire valve. Okay, allow 30 seconds for can to discharge fully. Unscrew nozzle when empty. So am I supposed to empty the whole can? Inflate tire to recommended pressure. Drive, stop, and verify seal and check pressure. This is gonna be a quick review on does it work? Okay, you guys, I'm ready to go ahead and let's go. All right, you guys, so we're really not at the 6 o'clock position, but I think we're good enough. Now, I think I just twist this on there. Say allow 30 seconds for can to discharge fully. Unscrew nozzle when empty. So they want you to put this whole thing in the tire. You guys, I never done this before. Let's see what happens. Twist it, twist, twist, twist. Oh, I hear that. Wish I had something to hold it up instead of my hand. I don't know if I'm 30 seconds and I can't see the time on the camera. I hear that. All right, that's it. We put the slime in. Now we're going to inflate, and then they say drive. All right, slime is in. All right, you guys, I'm a little nervous. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hope this works. Hope this don't mess up my air compressor. All right, that's what it says. Allow 30 seconds for can to discharge. Unscrew nozzle when empty. All right, now it says add inflate tire to recommended pressure. We're gonna put some 34 psi up in here. And I just got some sealant on my hand, and hopefully it don't do nothing wrong, because I need some gloves. I have 0 pressure in here. Let's add pressure. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, some of the sealant came out on there. Hopefully when I drive it, it says drive, so let me drive it and then we'll get to the end of the review in a little bit. You guys, Well, it's too much shade right here, but I cannot believe it. I cannot believe this. The tire is full, literally. It is not flat. I cannot believe that sealant worked. I thought the sealant wasn't going to work. Oh my goodness. We got to get back. I got to get back to the house and we got to talk about it. What's going on, everybody? I want to say this one thing right now. If you are scared to patch up your tire on your car, or if you have never done it before, if you don't have the tools to do it, this stuff here literally works. This stuff works. I can't believe all these years of just, getting the plugs, pulling the screw out, opening the hole some, putting the plug in, bow, snipping it, driving it, blah, blah, blah. You can save literally like 10 to 15 minutes from doing this to doing this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all guys. If y'all not into plugging in your tire, buy 4 of these, $11, Walmart. Walmart is not paying me for this, okay? And the brand Slime, I think that's the brand name, also not paying me for this, okay? This is basically being as transparent as possible. We are going to go to the tire. It's been 2 days, all right? 2 days later, and the tire is still full. I cannot believe it. I can't believe this stuff worked. It's been on the shelves for a long time. And I just walk past it. Every time I get a nail in the tire, old school, we take it out, patch it up. New school, this stuff works, all right? I have no problems. All right, let's go ahead to the tire. All right, you guys, so the truth is in the pudding. I don't even have the cap on, all right? I don't have the cap on, and look at that. I still have the same amount of pressure that I put in the other day, and I'll put the cap on later, but if y'all haven't seen it, look right there. Look right there. The screw is still there, you guys. You see that? Right there. The screw is still in. Now, the past couple of days, well, not the past couple of days, but a couple of days before I put the sealant in, y'all know every morning my tire was flat, so I had to keep pumping it up. And, I went to the store to get the patches, but I was like, you know what? Let me try the sealant stuff. And the sealant worked. So that's it, you guys. That's as transparent as I can get. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Once again, got it from Walmart in the tire repair section. So it's back there by the oil and all that auto care stuff. So, all right, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe.